welcome to the Canon M50 Mark.
To get some car cleaning stuff. I know one thing, it's about 90 degrees in this car. I'm sweating. Turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. Oh. Gotta stop by Jackson, do a video too. Remind me. Boop, boop, boop. That magic stuff. With the clear coating, you know what I mean? With the good stuff in it. Help our paint out, cause you know,
get some help.
We need all of that. And another BMW. It's not mine, by the way. Whack.
I didn't even know you were playing.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I actually didn't know because I had my hand over here.
Stop the cap.
Are you delusional? Do you suffer from a mental illness?
What it is. All right, first one. Cut the tire shine. I am not sponsored by Chemical Guys, so
and that's a fact.
Shout outs to them and tell them to hit me up. This stuff, Sprayway. This is some good stuff. Glass cleaner. You want to get this. And then last but not least, the interior cleaner, Chemical Guys. Also, good stuff.
Soak your area.
It'll make it a lot faster if you do all 4 of these, by the way, but I'm only doing one at a time.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We'll go ahead and go back to the stuff that we had earlier. We'll go ahead and spray all this and clean all this off. Brake cleaner, carb cleaner, anything will work. I'm using carb cleaner. Nice and clean, nice and clean.
After that, it's time to dry. The drying process is the fun process. You want to dry the whole car off? See the results after. Also, y'all know COVID's going around, so disinfect your car. I'd highly advise you to do that. Watch how much dirt comes off of your car. It's ridiculous. Just watch. Watch this.